Good morning, dear student. Myself Bhumi Chauhan and I am here to take your computer lecture. We can start with our first lesson name Introduction to Computer. Okay? Nowadays we can see computer used in each and every field like school, railway station, bus station, hospital, medical store. We can see computer in each and every field. Like student, that's why we must have a knowledge how to computer work and how to computer operate and how to work with a computer. Okay, now we can go through with the textbook. Okay, it is said that this is the age of information technology, the age of computers. Today, computers are used in almost all fields. As I told, computer used in almost all the fields. Hence, we can not afford to remain ignorant about the wonderful machine. Computer literacy is must. We must have knowledge how to operate computer and how to work with computer. So let us learn about computer. Now start to learn about computer. And this our first topic is what is computer. What is computer? The word computer is derived from the word to compute. Computer word किससे आया है? Then to compute. The word to compute. To compute means to calculate something and perform a calculation based task, which means to calculate. Therefore, many people think that a computer is just another calculating machine, a fast calculator. But in fact, computer is much more than a simple calculating machine. Some people think that computer is only used for calculation based task, or used to perform some calculation based task. But nowadays, computer is used in many fields or used to perform a versatile task. Okay, dear student. Initially, computer were used only to perform big and complex calculation quickly and accurately. But today, a computer is also used to read, write, draw, perform many other functions. As I told, computer does not use only for a calculation. You all like to play game. Paint a picture using computer, write a document using a computer, read some articles using computer, read some books using computer, want to store picture in your computer. You can use computer in a many ways. Okay. A computer is used to listen a music, to watch a movie. As I told, that computer is used to watch a movie. In short, it is used to perform a many other tasks like watch movies, play games, listen music. You can do with your computer. Okay? The internet is a worldwide network of computers that holds a large amount of information that you can obtain using your personal computer. हम कंप्यूटर में इंटरनेट nowadays we all can use internet. You all can study using internet. In this, they want to tell us the internet is a worldwide network. Internet is a one kind of network which holds number of informations, and when we require that information we can obtain from it. Network of computer that holds a large amount of information that you can obtain using a personal computer. We can obtain this information by using our personal computers. कंप्यूटर की मदद से whenever we want or whenever we require that You can also communicate with the other internet user around the world. You can send and receive message across the world in a second. Nowadays you all can send and receive a text message or communicate through internet with your friends and family. You all can use messaging apps or you all can use email. You know about email? That email is used to communicate with your friends and family on an easy way and within a second you can communicate with your relatives and friends by using internet. A computer is an electronic machine. As you all know, computer is operated by using electricity. कंप्यूटर किससे चल रहा है? by using electricity. That's why computer is an electronic machine. It will do exactly as it is told to do. वो कंप्यूटर वही वर्क करेगा जो हम यूजर उसको करने को बोलेंगे. It will does not perform any task by itself. It carries out the instruction given to it perfectly. It will make mistake only if some wrong instructions are given to it. Like, computer does not make mistake in any calculation and any task you give to perform to the computer. It will make mistake only some wrong data input, or it will make mistake only when some wrong input give to the computer. Otherwise it does not make any kind of mistake. Like in this example, it will make we want a total amount of this three fruit. We want total amount of this three fruit. We can input a data into a computer. Then we find a total. In this total, we must have to input a right data or a right price of these three fruit. Otherwise, it will show us a wrong output. Okay? A computer takes in effect known as data. Computer is all our data. Raw facts. When user inputted data for getting some output and for getting some result from the computer, user entered data. This fact or a number are known as a data. Mark this keyword data. This is important for your exam, computer exam. It works on the data according to the instruction given to it and produce information. In this example, what we want, that we want output as a total amount. In a total amount, we want 3 fruits total amount. Computer, when user enter a data into a computer can process on these three data and perform addition task to calculate our total amount. For calculating total amount, it perform addition task which we can tell that it computer work with these three data and produce output. Computer process on these three data and give result as an output to user. raw fact into a computer, it's called an input. Input could be numbers, letters, picture or even in a sound. We can input our data by using numbers, letters, sound and picture. हम कंप्यूटर में कोई भी डेटा इनपुट कर सकते हैं. लाइक वो इनपुट एज एन पिक्चर भी हो सकता है, एज एन वॉइस भी हो सकता है और एज एन साउंड भी हो सकता है. जैसे यहाँ पे एग्जांपल मैंने दिया है, इसमें इनपुट किससे हमें यूज कौन सा हमें यूज किया, नंबर में यूज किया है और बाय यूजिंग कैरेक्टर यूज किया है. ओके, देन वी कैन go through with the next terminology. Program, a set of logical instructions given to a computer to perform a task or a work on the data is called a program. A logical set. Program means a logical set which perform any task. User want to perform any task in a computer. Computer has inbuilt programs or logical set of programs. In this example we want total amount of this 3 fruit. So इसमें क्या करेगा कंप्यूटर, then computer perform an addition task into this 3 number and it will show us a total number as an output. इसमें कौन सा प्रोग्राम यूज होगा, then एडिशन टास्क वाला प्रोग्राम कंप्यूटर यूज करेगा और यूजर को आउटपुट एज अ 170 और वो डिस्प्ले पे लगा देगा. You can see your output in your monitor screen. Then third terminology है processing. When the computer works on the data according to the instruction, it is called a processing. कंप्यूटर टोटल लाने के लिए इस 3 नंबर पे प्रोसेस करेगा. When computer fire an addition task to this 3 number, the timing of this timing that program require, it is called processing. When the computer works on the data, this 3 डेटा पे वर्क करने का जो टाइम होगा उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे, प्रोसेस बोलेंगे. According to the instruction, it is called a processing. Output information that is processed by the computer after processing the data is called output. Output displayed by the monitor or printed by a printer. हमें जो ये रिजल्ट कंप्यूटर डिस्प्ले पे लाके देगा, इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, आउटपुट. In this example, what we want that the total amount of this 3 fruit. कंप्यूटर प्रोसेस करके on this 3 data, कंप्यूटर प्रोसेस करके हमें जो लाके देगा अमाउंट, इसे हम क्या बोलेंगे, output. Output is displayed by the monitor or printed by a printer. Output हम मॉनिटर की स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं. By using output we can see our output in a monitor screen, or if we want to print that output, then we can print through a printer. Okay dear student, now we can move forward with the next terminology, hardware. It is the computer's machinery, all the part of the computer many programs to perform different tasks. Number of programs or a set of programs which is used to perform logical programs which is used to perform user defined tasks. For this, computer has a many different logical programs. This set of logical programs are known as software. There are mainly, you all know, there are mainly two types of software available, that is system software or application software. Example of system software is your Windows. When you run or start a computer, you can see Windows logo in it. It is a system software. Example of system software. And application software. You all know that Chrome, my computer, and like Microsoft Office kit, Excel, Word, PowerPoint. These all are the example of application software. Okay, dear student. Now one diagram are shown here. First, in this part is input. Then processing with the help of programs. Then it will give us output. This diagram shows us that working of computer. How computer work. When user enter a data as an input, it will work on that data and processing with the help of specific program, and then it will give us output which is shown in our monitor, or if we want to print that output, we can take a print by using a printer. Okay, dear students, now thank you for listening me carefully.